In this exercise, we will understand how the type of material and the weight is added in the title block of 2D drawings of 3D model in the software. This is any simple model. We go in the file, new, go in the drawing. Okay. We select a size of the sheet. We select size of the sheet. I am selecting A3 ISO size. Okay, this is a 420, this one, and 297 is the. I am selecting this. This is the drawing sheet I am selecting for the model. In the right hand side, there is a task pane. In the task pane, we go in the view palette. This is the view palette. Here, if the part is available here, otherwise you can go into this thing here and browse the part and bring it here. Okay, so part is available already here. Part. This is the part. These are the different views of the part. I am taking the ISO summary and isometric. Okay. In the right hand side of the title block, you will see there is no material and the weight, the part. So what, in order to add the type of material and the weight, what will we do? We will go in the window, the part model, to the model. Here, so firstly, we will assign the material. Any material we can assign it. Edit material. Suppose I add the AI6 in 304. This apply and close. Okay. This is the material is added. And the next is again we will go in the file and go in the properties. And the upper custom we have to select, and here you select the material. And in the next column, text, select the text. And this one, you again select the material. This material. And the material comes here, AISI 304. In the second, weight, we will select the weight. To the weight. Next column, text, we will select. And third is the mass. Weight in the mass, and this is the mass. But this doesn't depend in which unit this weight is there. Okay. Now, if we go in the sheet, go in the sheet, you will see material and the weight is coming also. This material weight is in the gram, mmgs. This material weight. If you want to change the weight in the kilogram, you can select mkg. This weight is the 0.25. If I select mmgs, this weight is in the gram. In this way, we can insert the type of material and the weight in 2D drawing in the title block of 2D drawing of the Solidworks of the particular. Suppose we want to remove the material. And weight. How we will do that? Again, we will go in the window and model. Again, we will go in the model, the window. Here, firstly, we will remove the material here. Right click on this thing, remove material. So material is removed here. And again, we will go in the file, properties, and here select the first thing and delete it. Second, select is delete it. Okay, and okay. Again, we go in the sheet. You will see material is deleted here. In this way, we can add the material and delete the material in this box. I hope you would have enjoyed this exercise of the Solidworks, and you please share, subscribe this my channel, and thanks for watching.